Why everybody song you the dance? Richmond, you know the dance.
I first spray you. I first spray you before.
But everybody know you the dance. See if I want you dance. Kid you okay, no problem. You don't like this song.
You make music.
You don't like this song.
You make your own music.
Se usro se minime adaye su beba obeti boboli bobo se na mesi no mkwai obeti dance now. Okay, you don't like this song. Okay. Sika ye moja munu no musika na mesi. You don't like this song. Oba mi soko no mape. Ekene masika di mati apamye. Eda mi soko no mape. DJ, hold on. You don't like this one too. Terese, ababa tell me to say. Terese, oba mi mati semo. Terese, ababa tell me to say. Terese, abani mani mosmo. You don't like this song? No problem. When I go back to Nigeria, who want me ding? Na si mi ne me se mi ni ya. Like a macramo. I say na me si mi ni mi biom. Oh, who want me ding? Oh, aya ro. Oh, at the Majalasa. I can't never see me. I don't know me. So say na me that Oh, DJ, hold on. Cry. You know Mr. the Lumba, cry.
No, today is 1 year.
Hey, so you go cry?
No, 1 year we celebrate.
Okay, now celebrate. Somebody eat now. We have food.
We don't have food. We didn't know you are coming to perform Daddy Lumba.
Okay, someone perform their life.
Why did you come?
Oh, come in so many. I said, no, man, no, me quiet. I said, no, miss, no, madam, come.
Miss Onyabatre, what? So, Bessa will catch you the Abetro Chini.
Me? Yeah, na yet take a cost. Yeah. Oh, something else. Oh, you say, Chi? Yeah, na yet can't you know. Who are latter?
Me latter, me a Sante.
Who yes? This one, na kweu. You know that means you dey call kenke. Yeah, na yeti kokos. Sekutum. This one.
I'm teaching you that proper.
This one is when you want to enter Ashanti. That's when you do this one. That means I have arrived. When you get to Linda door. Yeah, na yeti kokosum.
Yeah, and sum. Yet in a so.
The same thing, sum so. It's the same thing. Yeah, na yeti na.
Yo, anya na odeshia memo akwaba.
Piao.
And then you made your studio kasiye. And I had done a day. And unti and I had to suffer was say. Yadamfo a ufri no ho a eja wabeji akonya atena so nim say Ghana fo so de ye wodo ye ne alata de ati sei odo we ntempa nti na ye bibia wo so beba nko ade ye nto punum ye biepu na amoaba wada roma wo nante se ene sen.
Good. I want to understand all this rap when you rap now. Don't worry.
Me ba chawo wani die mu a wo se wo te kokko so wo te kokko so de won to mfom
the same thing. Piao. Okay. Now.
This okay you. What do you mean for to kokko
Piao.
Megia piao. Abra ufani die makasa.
Pia yo. Studio.
Sheni penanim.
Studio. Yes. Juma we meyefe. New studio no meyefe pa. Munina. Mupe. Nana. Upenu yedede. Oh God.
Okay, Nana somewhere yedede.
The same thing.
Kasa.
Hey, Upra. Upra. Only Shami Kasa.
Mese Kasa.
Ah. Piao. Good. Munina. Monini J. Seme Bra unveiling. Where Fefefe new studio. Munina Sunday dia. United Showbiz.
Obeka United Showbiz waha. Obetua from waha.
Say, hey, Makani.
Aye, Juma me yeah. And I do want my bedroom.
It's not me.
It's not you.
It's Tinubu. It's Tinubu. This one is
yeah,
Tinubu.
Yeah, the best choice and say, "O shame anymore." Me Franca, I come home. Into him when you why?
Babu say, Manu. But only maybe. No say sponsors.
And
your money be. No problem.
Tomorrow.
No, tomorrow, Monday.
There be Casasia, the banner to Fadia mine.
Good. Upo, outside. High sense. Remember, fridge 4. Huh? Say we are ambassador. How many high sense? Munina, my fridge 4.
Catch some mincho fridge. And kind of money fridge.
Bomb me, ready, yes, way. Me amubua. Sese me amubua. Nana Miami. Bomb me, ready, yes, way.
Me pato. Oba so ase me pre.
Brother be brother. Muntimini pre. Oh! Nakra na mesion memuso. Oh! Money na me gonna put my sum. Oh! Menana mama so. Oh! Nana ma poamio. Poamio radio. Oh! Na me no sum. DJ. Minuba. Oh, me sum, mini wine. Oh.
Nana, mini fridge will be fear. Mini fridge will fear.
Mini fridge.
One so, one wine. Anya wona wo se wuti okokoso no. Afedia wo besre fridge. Adi akọ alatamemu. Se mama wo bia enyo. Ochina no pa shia me wa high sense yo. Mama manyi na wuse. Eye fridge any TV na me be ma. Why you go? Me ma hwe wo. Me dada o. Me ma hwe. Wo abrebi abehum bia pese wo tia me. Na no sa na wo ye. I will Jeffrey show na say. Me te me ba bi na ka chen so won frɛ me. E kire no ka kire me. Obeto pruma na abehwe nkwam ka.
There say mommy fish now there. Mommy air condition. Mommy fridge, mommy air condition. Okay, who there mommy half power. Say well 1.5 power. Who there for 1. Now mommy half no. So Nigeria will not have lights. So power bank.
What the best one?
The best some air condition no. So no oshina na no fridge. Need TV. There.
When you say wa sam na akakra wa won ti ase.
Mo say penny dwane mrevia na muso na san.
And sorry abeme na. Sorry.
So oshina na muno frɛ iSense na mo ne bini
me
fridge
pato
mo ne TV mo no mami TV how many inches?
Parrot. And you ready na do ba?
Okay. Say you juma we are na ufre pastor ni the bonfire ubehia penny na wo ho aye frɛ me oshami uko Nigeria me uko Nigeria if you go Nigeria nana ubisa okay mu kudu Nigeria nana me one of the highest chief. What is A? You did my hunter. So me babe me mau baby sponsor.
Me pa chomo fresh sip cocktail ma what na omre no drink. Ba onu amra na me ne nkasa kakra itire no fa drink me na bibi ye no.
Me ma sponsor.
Oba ma me sponsor.
Yeah, me ma sponsor.
Me
bois Kobishe ma $1,000. Me ma obi ma me fresh.
Oh, what 1,000
me dada no.
Send me so me dada wono.
Say amudamu.
Wo dada me so me dada wo.
Okay, no problem. But munina ni se wu ni papa. Oh yeah, ni pa good. Oh yeah, ni pa good pa. Mu dun bois people.
At this point, Miss Rowe, memo aka bro for what?
Good.
Now you to me upon.
Like we no for close. Like 2 days we go stay here. You are a good person.
Thank you.
How you help people. My small boy Jeffrey, you came for his show. You stayed till the end. You do this. If it's not you, there are people that have seen how you've helped them. Do you understand? See Nino like this. What is since Nino is coming to your show, look at him now. He's becoming fresh, small. Through your show. Look at Kobishe. First, Kobishe does not wear doctor glasses. But since you put him here, he's wearing glasses like a medical doctor. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Look at Offa. Now yeah, that's why I'm coming to say it. After you start bringing him now, you see he's now trying to come back as rapper. You see his glasses and the cap. Do you understand? Then look at Happy Birthday 45 years. See, 45 years. Meet him in birthday. 45 years.
I would say for managing ha. Yeah. To me, yeah, commercial break.
Okay, you not babwas for us.
Oh, that must say, Mammy, I didn't so in product.
Okay. You better move.
High sense.
High sense. Everyday prizes for everyday people. Now, Musu, who again?
Obuasi bitters.
Na yesu yeda Obuasi bitters. Na munu.
Debbie and Casabio. Debbie and Casabio, Mammy Casat, Mammy to us. No. Where a sip cocktail for Mammy. Why he can be come from more products?
Yeah. In the not for a share with her. Your Diana sip cocktail. So all your events, your wedding, corporate events, birthdays, all kinds of ceremonies. Sip cocktail is all you got to look out for. We are on Instagram and everywhere. Just look out for a sip cocktail bar. That's it. We're going to make your event a superb one. Yes.
Yo, number 2, Janafe.
Yeah, sip cocktail. Book here 0546 303398. 0546 303398. All kinds of events, being a corporate event, weddings, ceremonies, birthdays, BBA. Here say now you just reach out to us and we're gonna make your event a glamorous one.
Thank you, sir. And now your birthday to me, Cramoma machine, no me. Monko family emremi. Why?
What a Roma.
Kofabra, we don't do a boy, it's a member. What you say?